We get isolated twice a year when break up and freeze up.
During that time, the water is very dangerous, so you can't put your boat in the water. You can't drive your snowmobile across the river either.
There is a large body of water that is separating many, many acres of the land where the community members live. And so for some individuals, it can be 2 to 3 hours for them to be able to access either food or health care.
Healthcare is a cornerstone of any community. If we don't have good healthcare delivery, that's a critical gap. So what we're doing here on proof of concept is important.
One of the most difficult challenges of both setting up and executing the drone delivery program was establishing trust with community members. When you come in as outsiders and not being from the community, it's extremely important to be respectful and to share candidly what your intentions are.
I got really excited when they said Merck was interested in providing some way we can get medical.
It's hard to put into words how being a part of this program, knowing that a company like Merck is investing their time and allowing me as an employee to potentially make an impact not only on one community, but on multiple communities around the world. It truly makes me feel grateful and inspired to take more action and continue to be courageous and bold and make sure that others become involved.